Retaliatory operation, sources have said, after Pakistan escalated hostilities by opening fire strikes and drone attacks in the border areas of the Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan on the Thursday evening. Post midnight on the Friday, the Indian Navy started operations in the Arabian Sea against multiple targets in Pakistan, sources have said. India had earlier underscored that while its actions are controlled and measured, it would respond in the same domain and with the same intensity of attacks from Pakistan. Also, the Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation provided that the Pakistan military also respected the same, the government has said. Also, the Indian retaliation came after several hours of Pakistani airstrikes that started around 8:30, 9 o'clock. Also, it was Islamabad's second attempt after the bid was foiled to target 15 Indian cities early on Thursday. The Pakistan Army launched an attack on parts of Jammu and Kashmir and its military stations, Rajasthan and the later pockets of Gujarat and Punjab. Also, while the border areas in the Jammu and Kashmir along the LOC and the international border witnessed heavy shelling, winter capital Jammu faced relentless airstrikes. Also, kamikaze drones were also dropped on the Rajasthan Jaisalmer. All the missiles and drones were successfully intercepted by India. Also, one was intercepted near the Sar Creek in Gujarat. Also, India neutralizes Pakistan drones and missiles aimed at 15 cities, destroy air defense system. Shortly before 9 o'clock, loud explosions were heard from Jammu, followed by the clamor of silence and a blackout. Also, cell phone videos circulated by the local showed lights streaking across the sky, indicating interception of the missiles and the drones by the air defense system of the armed forces. While the activation of the air defense system, the sky lit up every other minute. Also, on the ground there was considerable tension. Cell phone services were down in parts of the city, an extra hurdle for the locals trying to get in touch with friends or relatives. Also, 8 missiles were shot at the Jammu and Kashmir's Arispura, Arnia Samb, Hiranagar areas of the high military zones and installation, which are all intercepted by the air defense units. Also, military stations targeted. The defense ministry said that the military station at the Jammu, Pathankot and Udhampur were targeted by the Pakistani origin drones. Also, the threat was swiftly neutralized, saying that using of the kinetic and the non-kinetic capabilities in line with the established standard operating procedures SOP, no casualty or material losses were reported, the ministry have said on the post on X. Also, Pakistan F-16 down, sources said that the armed forces have shot down an F-16 supersonic fighter jet after it took off from the Sargodha air base in the Pakistan. Also, the forces have deployed an Indian surface-to-air missile defense system, the sources told the NDTV. Pathankot targeted too. Also, the Punjab Pathankot, just 30 km from the international border, also came under heavy artillery fire from Pakistan. The city is a strategic and tactical area and serves as the entry point towards the Jammu. Blackouts in the Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, the border areas of the Jammu and Kashmir are now under complete blackout that has also been declared in Chandigarh, Firozpur, Mohali and Gurdaspur in Punjab and parts of Rajasthan, another state that shares border with Pakistan. Blackout has been declared in Gujarat.